Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon XCELLENCE technology. It's a 2 litre TDI model, 150 PS, finished in solid white. Features on the car are the LED daytime running lamps and headlights, front parking sensors and front fog lights. The vehicle benefits from a wheel upgrade to a 17-inch alloy wheel. Has integrated LED indicators in the mirror housing. There's also privacy glass on this model. At the rear there's also parking sensors. Badge doubles as the boot handle. Ample loading space with storage at the side. The car seats 5 in total. Has a black cloth interior. Four electric windows with electrically folding heated mirrors. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Car's covered nearly 4,200 miles. Has a touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, navigation, traffic updates, hands-free calls, and has the benefit of full link to connect any Apple devices or Android device to the system. There's dual climate control, 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary. Also features wireless charging. Storage in the centre. 12-volt power source. The car also benefits from keyless entry. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.